Hello my friends, in this great turning course we are going to make tutorial about Adobe XD. The Adobe XD is a powerful and popular software for designing UI user interface and UX user experience. You can use Adobe XD to design your website, or you can use it to design your application user interface, and you can simply connect your pages to each other, and after that you can give it to the developer for programming that. This is just about alt graphic, not programming. You can do brand designing, and of course you can design a game user interface. Okay, we are going to make tutorial about that. Stay tuned with us to this great turning course. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.